Okay, today we got Mad Shark Bootleg, very rare one. This one, a bit beaten up, missing ROMs here, which had to be handcrafted because they didn't exist as dumps. We also had this PLD here was bad. Thank you to Doktor Pinball of Romania for this dump. Absolute legend, thank you for that. Comes from another bootleg, similar hardware. Right, let's fire it on. I can't vouch that this is perfect yet. I think there's still a couple of issues, but it's running well enough, I think. Sweet. Well, I'm going to go over this one more time, see if I can see any other issues, but pretty close, and very happy with that.